What to do if your bezel setting is too small? If you've ever made a bezel setting for a cabochon stone, only to discover after soldering that it is frustratingly a tiny bit too small or a bit too tight, then this tip is for you. Obviously it's great when things go right first time, but if it hasn't, don't fling the setting into the scrap pot just yet. It can be salvaged by stretching it using just a pair of round nose pliers. Hold the wall of your setting in your pliers and gently squeeze. Move around in equidistant small steps until you get back to where you started. The pliers will compress and expand the metal a tiny bit with each squeeze, which will slowly increase the overall size of your setting. Once you've done one side, turn your setting around and repeat this process from the other side so that your top and bottom edge expand equally and your walls remain straight. Try and maintain the same pressure throughout so your setting doesn't warp out of shape, and go gently. It's surprisingly easy to end up with a much bigger setting than you intended. Once you've gone all the way around both sides, check to see if you've stretched it enough to fit your stone. If you haven't, you can go again. And well, if you have, then happy days. Any plier marks can be easily filed out and your setting has been saved.